This dual needle white face air gauge with amber backlight is ideal for any suspension system with a maximum pressure of 200 psi. Will measure two sources of air pressure on two scales of 0 to 220 psi and 0 to 14 bar. It has two 1/8 of an inch NPT male fittings on the back and includes two 1/8 of an inch NPT female compression fittings for 1/4 of an inch outer diameter airline. Comes with mounting bracket for easy installation on a gauge panel with two 1/16 minimum diameter holes.